EOS. The genealogy: a miracle advent with the aid of using founder of EOS Dan Larimer and Brendan Bloomer in 2017, EOS has handled the reliable growing well known with the aid of using the economic customers. The excessive degree aid reduced with the aid of using EOS.io for its customers has set the strength with inside the possession of economic customers, widening the liquidity potential. The after effect of mechanical upgradation regarding thinking, arranging, and conceptualizing has been inconceivable, specifically for cryptographic varieties of coins like EOS. Before we plunge into the EOS price discern, allow us to view part of the outstanding additives of EOS, like the power-up version is being made with the aid of using EOS display to control all change expenses via one-time component. The first spherical ICO, initial coin offering, floated with the aid of using EOS in June 2017. Specific significant augmentations are bringing $185 million up in the scope of 5 days, imparting 200 million tokens, which have been 20% of the overall scale issuance. EOS. The technical analysis and algorithm this hanging a part of the EOS.io blockchain degree means that data related to trades will get aggregated autonomously and now no longer be amongst one-of-a-kind data on a comparative rectangular, consequently operating with a super tempo of trades, timing 2 million trades every second. EOS Global is an ongoing EOS partner who's constructing progressive blockchain tasks. The precise exam of this form of blockchain development, thinking about blockchain display and a savvy association, will pass in all likelihood as a fundamental strength advertiser, showing slight width inside the area of portions. Going in all likelihood as a pressure to interact short hearth-place trades with inside the basic component climate. EOS will advantage radical exalternate finance, specifically in decentralized applications. To the quantity that price design, EOS became buying and selling strong regions with pressure for the reason that 12 months begins. In any case, it has faced a touch of mid-variety bullish along with different most important altcoins with inside the crypto marketplace. As shown with the aid of using the brand new price situation, the EOS coin may continue to be bullish along with unsteadiness. Master EOS price exam: the virtual cash marketplace is pretty flighty, but with inside the radiance of blockchain, high quality factors, for example, near protection agreements and high quality installments, anticipate a crucial element in affecting lengthy haul sales in EOS. The number one goal of the EOS bunch became to assure effortlessness and protection simultaneously. In the bottom 2017 issuance of 12 months, the ICO raised extra than $4 billion. EOS remained at $1.20 and with inside the wake of posting a dazzling $5.48 ascend in July, then plunged to a turbulent 50 cents degree in October. Regardless, with the outstanding help of his partners, he set out on an upward excursion, bringing it to $12.50 up in December 2017, obtaining an outstanding 2,160% return. During 2018, EOS encountered a bullish encounter, with the well worth of EOS ascending from 50 cents to $23. Before, the bullish well worth of EOS became precise at about $46. In the remaining part of 2019, EOS dispatched off a withdrawal quota completing at $8.50, according to the token. Before the pandemic proceeded and information spread, EOS became changing at its beyond assist degree of $2.65 in the direction of the end of 2019. Contrasted with its 2020 well worth, EOS rose to $3 in the direction of the end of April, converging with the $2,203 scope of the change in the direction of JUNE_SEND. On August 14, consumers looked after out a few manners to move the $3 degree. After 3 days, EOS hit a file excessive of $3.90. The rollback sees the asset to the decrease a part of the beyond changes extension. Starting from the beginning of the remaining 12 months, the coin has grown quickly, and in May 2021, EOS esteem arrived at one extra excess of $14.88. In any case, proper after hitting the beginning spike above $14, the coin confronted regular rot, and in September 2021, the EOS esteem retested its preceding help of $3.2. In the preceding 12 months, block 1, which cultivates the EOSIO degree, got $10 billion supporting. A QuickTime body later EOS token cost 1 round 100%, making EOS esteem equal to $14.88 in May. It has made any other helper referred to as bullish global. Google teamed up with the EOS degree to be a rectangular manufacturer for the association. Braintrust, Digital Oracles, Genbank.io, and lots extra are tasks in mild EOS improvement. Lacane, an economic supporter, moved ahead and developed crypto and blockchain collecting throughout. Lacane, an economic supporter, moved ahead and developed crypto and blockchain collecting throughout Latin America. From that factor onward, he attempted slight power with a bad hold close previous to finishing at a 12 months previous. With low unpredictability, the pretty awful situation proceeds properly up till these days. The coin is as of now changing beneath $3, but has as of past due overwhelmed the semi-every year downtrend line. From this factor ahead, the coin can replicate its improvement at some point in the following couple of months. Amazing EOS price prediction. 2022 to 2026 The gradual but steady ascent in EOS well worth won't as but accomplish the largest superior coins endowment, however, as alternative adroit economic benefactors have looked after out a few manners to consider the property are operating and might do ponders for his or her exchanges. The non-stop cost of EOS is around $2.86, with a 24-hour buying and selling quantity of $362,876,958. EOS is unimportantly a few location near 0.30% at this factor with a marketplace cap of $2,795,093,277 and stay marketplace cap, stay EOS esteem these days or price of EOS these days, United States dollars, may be implied from the above body table. In previous 12 months February the EOS exalternate fashionable corresponding to 0.35 EOS for a dollar. As proven with the aid of using EOS quote, the emblematic cost is buying and selling over its help region, with a slight buying and selling quantity, with the aid of using and huge preserving a low buying and selling improvement, won't lean in the direction of the EOS token, as new cash are basically brought to the stream, debilitating the stock. EOS price prediction 2022, considering there aren't in it any surprising shocks or a stony manner ahead for automated forex markets, price assumption for 2022, discern the identity of EOS is prepared to confirm strong regions for its with inside, the superior forex marketplace, crossing all impediments scaling at a largest cost of $4. As indicated with the aid of using specialist assumptions for EOS, the emblematic price could be underneath $3.50. Given our EOS price analysis and price potential EOS trades across cryptographic cash exchanges, for instance, premixed under the trading matches EOS United States dollar and EOS BTC. Specific assessment can be performed on all of these trading matches and give intriguing results. Generally speaking, Bitcoin moves related to altcoin crypto assets like EOS, while various times they go and move in opposition to one another. This outfits examiners with a collection of mechanical assemblies to perform cost assumptions, find esteem targets, and anything is possible from that point. The smallest expense recorded for EOS was an expense of 48 cents per coin during the early phases of the fundamental coin offering that occurred in more than $4 billion for possible later use raised. In 2018, EOS shipped off to much exposure and energy, and EOS showed up at its incredible high worth in April at $22, yet not long after was pulled somewhere near the negative sell pressure and the negative assessment the rest of the crypto market and Bitcoin was experiencing within. During 2020, EOS skipped from a low of $2.43 per token to as high as $3.47 per token. In 2021, EOS directed back to more than $14 per coin anyway failed to set another unparalleled high. Computing the outright EOS supply, current expenses, and the previous all-time high of $22.89, EOS has strong expense potential, and the future worth perspective can improve from here. Gains, for instance, these are unfathomable in regular business areas, and that number potentially addresses the ROI accepting EOS returns to its unrivaled high. Blockchain advancement like EOS is new, emerging, in any case has various years to go before it shows its real worth and adjusts adventures. Right when that happens, EOS' veritable long stretch worth potential will be uncovered, and many supposition that EOS' future expense will have an expense target above and beyond the past all-time high. EOS technical analysis and long-term price prediction despite focal assessment, for instance, keeping an eye on representative reserve, the gathering behind the undertaking, and anything is possible from that point and general expense examination, specific assessment can help with expecting EOS esteem examples and help to track down fleeting expense targets. Whenever 2024 and 2025 rolls around, it should have gotten back to another purchaser market for EOS and crypto. Subject matter experts and investors weigh in on EOS potential to extra add authenticity to the above EOS cost examination, EOS assumptions, and under EOS figure. The comments and relationship from industry subject matter experts and hypothesis from monetary